In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and view hierarchies in Jira. We'll explore how to log in, find your project or issue, and effectively view and customize the hierarchy structure within Jira. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser, let's say Google Chrome for this example, and head over to your Jira site. Your site will typically look something like this: http://yourcompany.atlassian.net. Once you're on the site, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Make sure to have those details handy, and before you know it, you'll be securely logged into the system. After logging in, the next task is to locate your project or issue, which is where the heart of your work lies. Start by navigating to the top menu and clicking on the Projects tab. This will open a drop-down menu that lists all the available projects. Here, it's just a matter of selecting the specific project you wish to explore further. If your interests lean more towards a specific task and you want to focus on the hierarchy related to it, then you'd want to open that issue specifically after you've selected your project. Once you're within your project or an individual issue, it's time to view the hierarchy. Jira provides a couple of handy tools for this purpose. You can make use of the issue links or subtasks to see how various issues are interrelated. This is particularly useful for complex projects with many interconnected components. For those looking for a complete hierarchical overview, Jira's Advanced Roadmaps is your go-to tool. You'll need to go over to the Plans section. If you're utilizing Jira Advanced Roadmaps, go ahead and select your specific plan from this area. This section gives you a comprehensive view, displaying everything from epics to stories and down to subtasks and any other issue levels. It's an excellent way to get a holistic understanding of how everything fits together in your project. While viewing, remember that you can expand or collapse items to make navigation smoother, enabling you to focus on areas that are most important to you at any time. Lastly, customizing the view can significantly improve clarity and efficiency. Jira allows you to filter the information shown based on teams, sprints, or different issue types, making the data more manageable. What's even more exciting is that by heading into the plan settings, you can tweak the columns and hierarchy levels. This customization provides a cleaner, more meaningful visualization that's tailored to your specific needs, ensuring you're only seeing the most relevant data without unnecessary clutter. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully navigated Jira to not only see your project's hierarchy, but also customize the view to enhance your workflow. Thanks for tuning in, and happy project managing.